English fluently and you don't know how to start and where to begin, and you don't even want to learn so many grammar just for speaking English, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to tell you 3 habits which if you apply this in your life, then you will become fluent in English. If you are consistent on it, then you can speak English very well. So you just need to follow these 3 habits, and you should get used to of these habits. And when you get used to of it, then you will speak automatically. Trust me, you can speak English so well, and you will become fluent in English if you follow these habits. Why I am saying this, then I have done this. Like these 3 habits I personally experienced. I did all these things, and because of that I'm telling this to you. Okay, so for the first habit is I started talking to myself in English. Yes, I used to speak anything, like random things, like what I wanna do and all. Like I speak basically random things, like what we think in our mind, whatever we are thinking, just speak that in English. Like I did this and she's my friend. Like anything, her birthday is coming, so I want to make something special for her. So like that could be like anything. You can think anything, you can speak anything, but that should be in English. And if you are struggling to speak in English, then I'm telling you that use simple sentences in your daily life. Like right now I'm sitting, so आप इसको English में बोले that I'm sitting, I'm going there, I'm coming back from there, I want it fun. Like that kind of sentences if you use, then also your English will improve so much. Okay, so just need to be speak simple to simple, but बोलना है. Speaking is very important. So it does not matter that you are not able to make sentence. You are speaking, that is matter. And just speak simple sentences in the beginning, because we are beginner in English, right? So we have to start from very beginning, like very simple sentences. I'm going there, I'm eating food, I had breakfast, I'm going there and all, like I'm going to the mall. So like that kind of sentences you will have to make. Okay, and if you are starting with these basic sentences, then also your English will improve. You just need to start. Okay, and it is very important to start from today. Okay, because tomorrow never comes. So please start from tomorrow. हम ऐसा ही बोलते हैं, हम कल कर लेंगे, लेकिन हम करते कुछ भी नहीं है. So हमें आज से स्टार्ट करना है, अभी से स्टार्ट करना है. वीडियो देखने के बाद तुरंत हम इस पर काम करेंगे. Okay, and the second habit which I applied, that is I stopped myself to worrying about my mistakes. Yes, I used to worry so much about my mistake, that I'm making mistake, and it is a very basic mistake that no one should make, but I'm making it. Like I used to blame myself that why I'm not learning. I'm learning English and why I'm not able to speak clearly and all. So I used to blame a lot to myself. Like I'm not joking it. I seriously blame myself so much, and maybe because of that I'm speaking English right now. So this happened to me so much. So I will also tell you that please don't blame yourself. It demotivates you, and we should not get demotivated while learning our English journey. So basically, it is very important to be positive, to think positive in your life. So it is actually very important. So don't get demotivated. Whenever you get demotivated, just go to the place where is a no one, where you will feel that yeah, it's a peace kind of. So yeah, it helps so much. So please don't get demotivated. Always think about you, your future, your life, your dream. It is very important. So whatever you are thinking, like what right now I'm dreaming something, so I will think that in English, like yeah, this is my dream and all. I want to be this in my life, and I have to struggle so much for achieving this. So like this kind of things we think and we speak as well. So we'll have to speak all these sentences in English. Yes, in English. Why I'm saying, because when we think in English, when we speak in English, our confidence boosts so much. Okay, so for that it is very important. And stop worrying about your mistake. If you are making mistake, then don't worry. Everyone make mistake. Someone who is fluent right now, he also was once a beginner. So please don't think that I am not speaking well. I've spent so many time on it and still I'm not speaking. No, everything takes time, bro. So it will also take some time, but not so long, because we are going to apply these habits. Then our English will improve. Okay, so don't worry about, don't get stressed so much about English. It is just a language, bro. You don't need to learn rocket science and all. No, it is just a language, and we will take it as a language and we will learn it also. Okay, so don't take so much stress about it. It is just a language. If you are making mistake, then don't take that I'm making mistake. Just take that I will learn from my mistake and I will not do the same mistake again. I will not repeat my mistake. So it is very important. So we all will make mistake. We all made mistakes. So we will learn from our mistake and we will go ahead, move forward like that. We will not stuck at one place. We will go forward. So whenever you make mistake, just think that don't worry, I made it's just a mistake. So I will learn from my mistake and I will go ahead. Don't stuck in your mistake. Those people who are speaking English very fluently today, they were also once a beginner. So just think about that yeah, they were also a beginner once. Then I am also a beginner right now. I will also learn. And the third habit which I use in my life, that is use English in your daily life. Don't just think that in this 2 hours I'm going to learn English. No, right now what are you doing? What are you doing? Just speak all these sentences in English. Like right now I'm sitting and I'm going to learn this I'm going to learn this, and after that I will do some speaking practice. Like this is what you are thinking right now. So just speak that in English. Like right now you are at home, just speak whatever randomly that I'm sitting here, my mom is in kitchen, she is making food for us. She make delicious food and I just love to eat food from her. Like whatever you can see, whatever you think, whatever you just randomly speak in your daily life, you can speak all that in English. Yes, and why I'm saying this, there is a reason also. Like whenever we learn, especially a language, when we learn a language, then why we are learning that? We are learning that just for speaking, right? And if we are not speaking that, then how we will learn? Then what is the meaning of learning that language when we are not speaking? Because and even when we are learning that language for speaking, right? So it is very important. Like whatever you are doing, whatever you are able to see, what that can be anything. Whatever I do, I'll have to speak that in English. Like right now, I'm standing, and after that, I will learn something about English, and after doing that, I'm going to do my speaking practice. Like this is what I'm going to do. So this is also you will do. Okay. So whatever you are doing, whatever you are going to do, whatever you are doing, and about your dreams and all, you can just speak. Okay, suppose you are scrolling your phone and you heard a sentence that I just love to cooking. Then you just hear this sentence, and after that you can make that sentence in your life. Like you should apply that sentence in your life, that I just love to cook and all. Like whatever you are hearing, whatever you are listening, whatever you are reading, that you can apply in your life, that yeah, this sentence I can use in this way in my life. So like that kind of we should do. Like whatever we hear, whatever we learn, like that is not just hearing that, not just listening that, we will apply that in our life. Like we will apply that in our life and we will learn English. Okay, so English is basically a very simple language, and we just need to be consistent and just little focused on English, and we will speak English very well. Okay, so don't take so much stress. Apply English to your life, that whatever I'm doing, whatever I'm thinking about my dreams, about my future, I will speak that in English, and after that I will speak English one day. You are learning English, right? And you are at home, your mom, dad, your parents also know that you are learning English. So try to speak English with them. Like they will also be happy that yeah, my daughter is learning English and she's speaking with me, he's speaking with me. So like that, you can talk to your parents also, they will become also happy, and don't feel shy while speaking to them. I know it's bit weird sounds, but yeah, it helped me. When I was learning English, I talked to my parents and they were like, what she's doing, what she's speaking. So like that kind of experience I had. So I just speak to them, and after some days, after doing that consistently, I become comfortable with them. Like I used to speak that, Mama, what are you doing? What are you going to make today? Like what is the meal that you are going to do and all? And I asked that when you come, did you bring something for me and all? So like I used to ask questions to them, and they reply me. In fact, I say them that this is the reply. I will ask you this question, then you will say this to me. So like this, I had a I had a conversation with my parents, and with my brother also. I speak to him, he speak to me. So like yeah, I had Basically, I had partner, but if you don't have, then you have your phone. Just use your phone as a speaking partner. Not every time I had my parents and my brother. They were just for some time. If they are free, then that time they used to speak with me. Otherwise, they don't have time enough for me. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are seeing, whatever you are writing, you can just speak that in English. And if you make any mistake, just write it down. That yeah, this is a mistake I have done, and I'm going to learn from this mistake. It will boost your confidence. Okay, so these were our 3 habits. If you apply this, then your English will improve. Okay, and we are going to do it very consistently. And I'm telling you, if you are focused and if you are consistent in these 3 habits, then your English will improve within 2 to 3 months. Yes, it is not very rocket science. It is not very rocket science to learn. Okay, it is just a language, and you can learn any language within a 3 to 4 months, or ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 6 months. It will not take much time from this if you are consistent. I'm telling you, if you are consistent, then you will speak English. If you are not, you are doing today, not tomorrow, then it won't work. So you'll have to be consistent, and with full of focus, you'll have to learn English. Okay, so guys, that is for today. See you in our next. Till then, let me know in the comment, do you like this video or not, and tell me this also, that what you would like to watch from me. Okay, so yeah, bye.